stop trying to be productive. That's why you're stuck. We've been told a lie, a big one. So common, we don't question it. And AI just exposed it. Not with opinions, with data, with patterns, with receipts. By the end of this video, you'll see why most productivity advice actually makes you slower, and what AI reveals high performers do instead. Here's the lie. If you manage your time better, you'll get more done. Sounds smart, feels right, totally wrong. Time isn't your problem. You've had the same 24 hours your entire life. Some days you crush it. Some days you do nothing. Same time, different output. So what changed? Energy, attention, clarity. AI systems that analyze human work patterns see this instantly. They don't track hours worked. They track output patterns, and the data shows something shocking. Most productive people aren't working more. They're working less than you think, but in a very specific way. Hold that thought. AI tools that monitor workflow show something brutal. People spend 60% of their day on things that feel productive, but create zero meaningful progress. Emails, organizing apps, tweaking to-do lists, color-coding calendars, researching for the 9th time. It feels like work. Your brain gets a tiny reward, but nothing moves forward. AI doesn't get fooled by looking busy. It only sees outcome. And it reveals a painful truth. We confuse motion with progress. Checking tasks off is satisfying. But AI shows most check tasks are maintenance, not advancement. You're running on a treadmill, sweating, exhausted, still in the same place. So what are high performers actually doing differently? AI spotted a pattern, and it's the opposite of what productivity culture teaches. Another lie, stay focused all day, sounds disciplined. It's impossible. AI attention tracking tools show the human brain can only do deep work for about 2 to 4 hours per day. That's it. After that, your brain shifts to shallow mode, lower quality thinking, more mistakes, more procrastination disguised as work. But productivity culture says, wake up early, grind all day, stay locked in. So people try. They fail, they blame themselves. AI doesn't blame you. It shows you're fighting biology. Top performers don't stretch focus. They protect it. They treat deep focus like a rare resource, not an all-day default. Here's what AI sees top performers doing. They don't maximize hours. They maximize high-leverage decisions. One smart decision can remove 10 hours of future work. One clear plan can prevent weeks of confusion. One uncomfortable conversation can unblock an entire project. AI productivity systems consistently show a tiny number of actions create most results. Not 20 tasks, not a packed schedule. Just 1 to 3 high-impact moves per day. But those tasks are usually hard, uncomfortable, unclear, easy to delay, so we avoid them and do easy work instead. AI doesn't fall for easy. It ranks tasks by impact. Humans rank tasks by comfort. That's the gap. So if working longer doesn't help, and doing more tasks doesn't help, what should you do tomorrow morning? AI-driven productivity tools often reduce everything to one question. What action would make everything else easier or unnecessary? That's it. Not, what can I finish? What's urgent? What's quick? But what creates a chain reaction? Maybe it's defining the project scope. Maybe it's sending the scary email. Maybe it's deciding what not to do. One move, big ripple. AI sees productivity as leverage, not effort. Humans chase effort. AI chases impact. This is where people resist, because real productivity feels slow. You might only complete one major thing in a day. No long task list. No hustle vibes. No rise and grind. Just one meaningful shift. At 4 p.m., it can feel like you didn't do enough. But AI tracking shows those days create more long-term output than days packed with 15 small tasks. We're addicted to the feeling of productivity, not actual results. I has no feelings. So it exposes the illusion. Here's the motto AI keeps confirming. Step 1, choose fewer targets, not 10 goals. one main objective. Step 2, identify the highest leverage action, the move that changes the game. Step 3, do it during peak mental energy, not when you're tired, not at night, during your sharpest hours. Step 4, stop when real work is done. Yes, stop. Because forced extra hours create low-value output. This feels lazy. It's not. It's strategic intensity, followed by recovery. That's how sustainable high performance actually works. Remember the lie from the beginning? Manage your time better. AI shows the truth is this. Manage your decisions better. Time management organizes hours. Decision management changes outcomes. So tomorrow, don't start with your to-do list. Start with this. What's the one move that makes everything else easier? Do that first. Protect your focus. Ignore the fake productivity noise. You'll feel like you did less, but you'll finally move forward. And that's the productivity lie AA is exposing.